partner at sa ating mga manunod. Narito kami ngayon upang discuss ko pala sa inyo yung mga e-commerce application feature na kung sa napapanahon ngayon, marami tayong iimbitahang malalaking pangalan kumbaga sa industry ng e-commerce application. Ngayon, marami tayong features na pag-uusapan ngayon. Kaya tawagin natin mga bisita natin. Dahil sila, HBC!
Grazie! Woo!
Hindi naman siya mukhang sino.
Nabilad po yan, ito putikan.
Okay, tawagin natin natin si Lucio Tan!
Kulit pala sinusutan! Bigibelo.
Easy reporter, si Cosmina Sanchez.
Purina.
Okay. Diba? Our topic for today is all about e-commerce applications and features. But as we all know, e-commerce is one of the types of IS or information system, meaning doing business in the internet. E-commerce is not just buying and selling products. Sa online na rin nagpa-practice ng marketing, servicing, delivery, paying for products and services using credit cards, diba? Pero syempre, yung e-commerce, very like sila, on the sort of internet or information technology para supportahan yung every step ng process ng e-commerce. Okay, first issue na tatanakayan natin is and wholesale, manufacturing, marketing, investment, and finance, and action innovation, or e-retailing. Ang meaning niya is direct sale of product by business to consumers, electronic store, restaurants, which typically